Good evening. My name is Michael Vargas, and I am a student at Liberty University. As part of the Education 629, I will present the Khan Academic website, which is considered one of the best free educational tools for students at all levels. This online learning platform was chosen to be incorporated in my Technology Integration Plan, or TIP, because it offers many benefits for K-12 students. It provides online courses for preparing for standardized tests like SAT, MSAT, LSAT, and more. Also, it is available in different languages. Offers progress tracking and practice exercises. This platform provides equal opportunity for diverse learning experiences, regardless of academic strengths and backgrounds or social deficiencies. Students can log in to this platform as often as needed to learn or reinforce what they learn at school. They have available math, science, computing, arts, humanities, reading, language arts, economics, life skills, and test preparation. Besides, you can choose your own language and what you want to learn. Lastly, the Middle View Elementary School students can benefit from the different tutorials to help further their knowledge and their working module and help to prepare for the academic assessment at the end of the grading periods. Let's look at the hands-on and working session, where I will show you how it works and what to do to enhance your interaction with this platform. First, you're gonna create your own account, which is free. Once you create an account, you're gonna create your profile, and you can see you can choose the courses if you wanna focus on something. Once you choose the courses that you wanna study, they will show up in the front of your computer, so you can have an easy access at any time when you need it. If you don't know what to choose, also you have the main page where you can choose the grade and the different classes available for you. Don't forget that if you want to change the language, you go all the way to the bottom and you can change your language. Right now, I'm gonna choose one class so you can learn, have the idea how it works. So you click on the class, you go to the class, and all you have to do is just listen to the class. The teacher provides many examples about the class and make sure you understand step by step what you're gonna learn. You can stop at any time whenever you need it. You can stop and play the same class over and over until you learn. It is available to you at any time. These are one of the many benefits of the Khan Academy. Also, you want to prepare for the different tests. They are available on the first page. I hope this video help you to have a clear idea how to use this great tool for students and teachers. Because also teachers can come over here if they want to refresh one class. They're going to present to the students the next day. Thank you. Thank you for this presentation. Have a good night.